So I've just found another abandoned place now, which has got an abandoned caravan and an abandoned building and some kind of like little reservoir thing. So check this out, we're going to have a look around this place now as well. It's got this little boat, man. Got some mad abandoned caravan here as well. Somebody's been sitting on the outside by the look of it. The outdoor chairs, have a little look down here before we go in. Oh, this is a part new build by the look of it. Let's have a look inside here.
Welcome guys to part 2 of my 3-in-1 day explore, where I found 3 abandoned locations in one day. I decided to separate these into 3 different videos because I thought if I put it in one video it would be too long. So this is part 2. I finally managed to get it together for you after some software issues with my laptop. Here it is, enjoy.
So what's the floor, Ben? Yeah, so what's the floor? Really for you. Porta potty in here. Double mattress. Load our filthy side. Cobweb. Sewing needles. Just walked into a cobweb. There's some darning needle things there in that shop.
The camera that I filmed these 3 videos on literally arrived an hour before I left the house that morning. So I put it on charge for an hour and then started filming with it straight away. Hence the incorrect date and time stamp on it. Also, I recorded everything at 60 frames per second, which my laptop, shall we say, struggled with. But that problem's now over with because I've just invested in a Surface Pro 4 i7, which, what can I say, this thing is fast, and I mean fast. So now all my editing problems are over for a while, and we should have some good videos coming regularly.
Yeah, that is. That is, this is all part of this. Little decking at the back of here and stuff. Little decking here, don't too safe though. Oh, the water wheel, huh? Wow. Can you see that down there? There's a mad water wheel down there. And a pump and everything. That's a sawmill. An old sawmill thing here. Oh, get back up. Ow, 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 ow. Get stung. Get stung. Check out this leg thing. So there's really fish in here. Some pond skaters or something down there. Down to this little jetty. Oh, this place is amazing. It's like a little boating lake.
The other person in the video who I'm talking to here is my auntie. And in her mid-60s, she's still good for an adventure. She goes with me all kinds of places. And she's a bit mad, but she's good fun to be around anyway. The other guy that's usually in my older videos, that's Jad. And he's just a little bit busy at the moment. He runs his own business, so he hasn't had much time. But he will be in the videos in the future. And hopefully he'll be setting up his own YouTube channel. In which case, if he does, I will let you know what it is. And you can subscribe to him also. This was an abandoned new build property that was obviously unfinished. The caravan there, which was obviously someone was staying in while they was working on the project, which never got finished. I don't know why. But it's built obviously on the site of an old sawmill. And this little reservoir here is to feed the water wheel to power the saw. So I don't know if they demolished the old property or if there was no property there at all and they've just put a new build. Either way, it never got finished. This would have been a really, really nice property if it had been finished. I'd have liked to have lived there myself. Very nice and quiet. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Part 3 is coming up soon when I get round to editing that one. And that's an abandoned pub in part 3 called the Cape of Good Hope. So if the editing comes off alright on that one, that video will be posted up soon. And I've got some really interesting local history videos coming up. I've just made a nice little deal with my local library / museum who are going to allow me to film in some of the places and some of the events on my local history, which I think is very interesting. So it might not be to everybody's taste, but I'm going to make some videos and post them up for you. I hope you like them all. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
Engine lamp.